Holla. Yeah. Yeah, everybody entitled to their own opinion. I can dig it. A lot of people just be talking. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All that motherfucking talking, yeah. Finna go in. All that motherfucking talking. Everybody flap their gums, just be talking. Looking dumb, don't know what they talking, just be talking. A lot of these hoes like to run their mouth, just be talking. What the fuck is these niggas time by? Just be talking. Everybody flap their gums, just be talking. Looking dumb, don't know what they talking, just be talking. A lot of these hoes like to run their mouth, just be talking. What the fuck is these niggas time by? I'm just trying to keep it G though. I see you hating that nigga steady looking through the peephole. I want a bitch with a deep though. You don't do that, what you claiming you a free folk. Everything ain't always what it seems, and teammates ain't really on your team. Everybody really don't support your dream. You gotta stay 10 toes, 2 eyes for the scheme. None of y'all niggas ain't fucking with me, and most of y'all bitches be fucking for free. A lot of y'all hoes need to stay in your place. Never kiss that hoe cause the bitch is disgrace. Same hoe that be on my dick. Run a home girl steady talking slick. Bitch, you are not no diva, not your cousin or your sister ass neither. Let's keep it 100, had all y'all. So I guess they get you right just to call me a dog. But who are you to say that I'm not gon' ball? You just mad cause a nigga like me don't call. I ain't got time of the day for your ass, and I ain't got the game just to play with your ass, and I ain't got time to come and lay with your ass. Better ask your baby daddy come and stay with your ass. A lot of hoes think that you be silly as fuck. Them the hoes that be mad, you don't give them a buck. Same hoes that be hating once had a crush. Main reason that they mad cause you pass them up. But these hoes kinda slow, they ain't fast enough. Come around, guess they talking when your cash is up. I keep it moving, guess she thinking that she had a duck. With all that talking going on, I done had enough. Talking. Everybody flap their gums, just be talking. Looking dumb, don't know what they talking, just be talking. A lot of these hoes like to run their mouth, just be talking. What the fuck is these niggas time by? Just be talking. Everybody flap their gums, just be talking. Looking dumb, don't know what they talking, just be talking. A lot of these hoes like to run their mouth, just be talking. What the fuck is these niggas time by? Just be talking. She say, it don't never stop. What they time by? Niggas be talking to impress these hoes. Niggas steady talking cause I'm switching up my flow. Ain't a nigga spitting that can touch me in the O. I know a lot of rappers say the same thing before, but I'm a real nigga and that shit that be for show. If a nigga wanna beat, to tell a nigga let me know. You're just another nigga that be acting like a hoe. Told you I am not in my feelings, oh no. Really rockin' with me in the Gunshine State. Funny thing is, I'm in another state. Eating on steak, bad hoes in my face. Between me and you, I'm tryna beat the case. Everything hush, I'ma be so straight. I'm in my own lane, get the fuck out my way. Showing up high, fit be fly. In the room fucking it, bill like she mine. Niggas telling hoes not to fuck with a nigga. Somebody tell me what's up with the nigga. Whole shit, I come and bust me a nigga. I ain't really got no love for a nigga, cause all these niggas wanna dog me, nigga. I never put my trust in a nigga. I'm shining and they ain't going hard in the paint. It's like I'm really doing a lot of shit that they can't. I guess they think I'm acting like my shit don't stink, but that's like saying that a bitch won't pay. And you can listen to the niggas talking, but if you want the truth, you better listen to me. When it come to proof, I'm really holding the key. It's me versus them, who you wanna believe? They talking. Everybody flap their gums, just be talking. Looking dumb, don't know what they talking, just be talking. A lot of these hoes like to run their mouth, just be talking. What the fuck is these niggas time by? Just be talking. Everybody flap their gums, just be talking. Looking dumb, don't know what they talking, just be talking. A lot of these hoes like to run their mouth, just be talking. What the fuck is these niggas time by? Just be talking. Yeah, be a whole lot of talk going on. I hear ya. I said I hear ya. That talking don't mean shit. No, that talking don't mean shit. SSM nigga. Give a fuck. All that fucking talk.